the spark plugs on the right side of the engine, 1 and 2 are off. Look inside this little, way in there. Way in there. See that way? There we go. That was it. Hold on. We'll get it. There we go. See that? Alright, the end of the spark plug goes through there. Which means the end of the spark plug can't have that little cap on it. You gotta take that little cap with some pliers and twist the little cap off and just put the bare threads into that, I believe. We'll see when we pull out the spark plugs. See, the spark plug wires are fed underneath the alternator or generator. Just pull it through the other side. And now the other one. Here we go. There's one more cable, and that goes to the little blue thing. The center of the blue thing, that's the coil. That takes a little bit of electricity and cranks it up really high. And there we go. How to tell if your cap is bad. See these connectors? They should be nice and shiny down in there. Those don't look like it does not look like a brand new. Does that look like a distributor cap that's brand new with only 50 miles on it? No. You put a used